I know you're shocked, but she's go through this.
Yeah, well, chicken. I have chicken, breaded chicken. I can have pasta ravioli for dinner.
Oh, you go ahead.
What?
Go ahead.
What kind of sauce?
We've got Portuguese and Kennedy for the taxi, so we'll be here in just a couple
Chicken?
minutes. One, please prep cab take off.
And what are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have the ravioli.
The ravioli. Are you gonna have Piper drinks?
Yeah, I can't remember what it is. So funny. Yeah.
Sorry. And I'll have to take these for takeoff. I'm sorry. I think we're right here at the end of the runway.
Yeah, enough. Do you want to save this very much over it? Yeah, I think you don't want it. You don't want to produce it. Not that he's not nice about it.
It's a red one. It just says number one. So now we're starting. Well, I'm not doing the program anymore. Let's split it. Let's split it. This is what I do. So programming. Check. Checklist
There were like a lot of stuff on the Sacred Plaza Plaza. And there was one big plastic bag that had a lot of. No, I'm just telling you what you gave me. I put in the plastic bag.
Oh, I see. They were cheap plastic.
Yeah, that's like maybe not. I might not have examined.
Maybe the plastic bag.
Yeah,
That was kind of
that might have
crushing
been.
everything.
That might have been the one that opened up. So anyway, so I put it right on the plastic
It did.
bag.
And our passports were stuck.
Yeah.
We wanted to
I have some stuff to decide.
That's all I'm doing. Yeah, that's why.
I think what I might do is like all the
I saw that. Yeah, that's. You'll fix it. It's happening.